Hey, what's up, gamers? Ever wondered what makes your favorite games tick? Today, I'm diving into the world of game engines. Yeah, those behind-the-scenes wizards that power everything from the graphics to the physics in your games. First up, let's talk about Unity. Unity is like the Swiss Army knife of game engines. It's super versatile, and you can use it to create both 2D and 3D games. Some of your favorite mobile games, like Monument Valley and Pokemon Go, are powered by Unity. What's cool about Unity is that it's beginner-friendly, but also has all the bells and whistles for pro developers. Now, Unreal Engine. Oh man, Unreal is a beast. If you've played games like Fortnite or the latest Tomb Raider, you've witnessed the magic of Unreal Engine. This engine is known for its stunning graphics and realistic physics. It's like having a Hollywood studio at your fingertips. And the best part? Unreal Engine 5 just took things to a whole new level with its mind-blowing Nanite and Lumen technologies. Next, we have CryEngine. This one might not be as mainstream as Unity or Unreal, but it's a powerhouse in its own right. CryEngine is the secret sauce behind the Far Cry series and the visually stunning Crysis games. It's got these insane real-time rendering capabilities that make environments look ridiculously lifelike. If you love eye-popping visuals, CryEngine is where it's at. Let's not forget about Godot. Godot is like the indie darling of game engines. It's open source, which means it's free and community-driven. Whether you're a solo dev or a small team, Godot has got your back. It's been gaining traction for its lightweight yet powerful toolkit. Think of games like Sonic Colors Ultimate. Yeah, that's Godot doing its thing. All right, time to wrap things up. Game engines are the unsung heroes of the gaming world. They bring our favorite virtual worlds to life, making sure everything runs smoothly and looks amazing. So, next time you're deep in a gaming session, take a moment to appreciate the tech that's making it all possible. If you enjoyed this little peek behind the curtain, smash that like button and subscribe for more cool gaming insights. Stay awesome and keep on gaming later, folks.